Know what? Elon Musk is the richest person in the world right now. He is one of those people who has most wealth on this planet Earth right now. And you know what he does? Recently, I was very curious about him. I was studying him. I was reading his biographies and learning about him as a person, who he is, what he do, and how he actually works, how he has achieved this massive success, how he has achieved everything that he has achieved so far. And I've came to realize something, that his work ethic is just so insane that most people can't hit that point. I've learned a few things according to myself, according to my niche, according to where I am at what point at what point of life, where I am in my life right now. According to that point, I've learned some things from his personality, and in this video, I'm going to teach you each and everything that I've learned from his personality. Each and everything. There are just a few things that I've learned from his personality that I've observed for myself, because when you learn 10 things, let's say there are 15 things that you get, and there would be only two things or only one thing that is applicable for your life. And these are the things, out of hundreds of things, these are the few things that I've learned. These are a few things that can actually help me, and I kind of relate to them. These are few of those things. Either I can relate to them, or these are some things that I liked about him, or I would need these things in future. So all of those things would be these. So his work ethic is actually, first of all, I would like to discuss his work ethic, because the only good thing, like all of these things are good, but the thing that I like the most is actually his work ethic. And he works every waking hour, literally every waking hour. There was recently I was watching a clip of some podcaster where he was sitting with Elon Musk, and I was saying that he had invited Elon Musk for a dinner or something, and you know what Elon Musk said? I don't do these kind of dinners. He eats while doing the work, while putting in the fucking work, and he works all day long. As long he's woke up, he's working like 12 hours, 14 hours, the number is, whatever the number is for him, but he still works that. He's just so obsessive about whatever he do. Doesn't matter if it is working, whether it's playing video games, doesn't matter. He either work or binge video games, and he obsessively do anything he do. He's just so damn obsessive, and this is the one trait that everyone should have. You should have this trait, that you should be very obsessive with what you do. I am trying to be obsessive with what I do. When you become obsessive, you can beat all the competition that you have, because most people quit when it gets hard, when it actually gets hard. Most people don't put in the fucking work. They are retarded. They don't have enough energy to put in the fucking work. What I want you to be delusional. Put in the fucking work. Doesn't matter what your situation is, where you are right now. I work like as like how many hours I'm woke up from the start of the day. Either I'm in college or I'm working. As soon as I come back from college, I start putting in the work, and till the point I sleep, I'm still putting in the work, because I am at a stage in my life where I have to put in the work, because if I am putting in the work right now, I'll be enjoying the labor of my food. I'll be enjoying the food of what I have worked for. After 5 years from now, but if I enjoy right now, like everybody do in my class, my friends, my classmates, my relatives, like my cousins and everyone, they're just chilling out right now. Literally, I'm not that motivational kid, 15-year-old motivational kid who's saying that I worked for 24 10 hours or something, I'll be millionaire next year or something, I'll be partying and you'll be working in a 9 to 5 job. I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is that I come from a middle class family and I have to put in the fucking work in order to make something work. I don't have the money to go and enjoy somewhere. My parents give me a lot of privilege, but still I don't actually have the money. Even they don't have the money. We come under that middle class or even under lower middle class, but we won't be that I'm making more money than average doctor do right now. So keep that in mind. So I'll be progressing more and more in the future. So I have to put in the fucking work. This is one thing that I've learned from his personality, that work every waking hour, put in the fucking work and stop. You should avoid burnout too. So the next thing is, this is actually for people who run an agency or who have a team. This is what Elon Musk do. It's not your job to make people on your team love you. If you have a team, it's not your role to make them feel good about you. You should actually make them feel good, but this is Elon's philosophy that you should not make them feel good. If you can make them work for 16 hours until they do that one thing that they have to do. For example, when he was building companies, they were sitting there for hours and hours and hours just building that company. And Elon Musk used to sleep there, I think on the couch or somewhere, I don't remember properly, but under his desk. Elon Musk slept under his desk most nights. And you cannot work as much as Elon Musk do. He is a fucking psychopath. He works all day long. He has, like, if I would be there where he is, I won't be putting in the work anymore. I would be like enjoying and just living my life, because he has already built generational wealth. Not just generational wealth, even way more than generational wealth. So if I would be someone who was at that level, I wouldn't be working at as much as he do. I'll make a couple of millions and I would be resting and I would be enjoying my life, and I'll be resting, traveling the world and doing all that shit. It isn't about working so much, and I don't know why he does. So many people have purpose in their life. I don't know why he does, but he actually has got purpose in his life and he's putting in the fucking work, so there's no problem with that. So there is another philosophy that Elon Musk has. I'm either gonna be broke or wealthy. I'm either gonna be wealthy or broke. So same is the formula with me for you, that you'll either be a millionaire, not millionaire, just wealthy, let's say, and or you'll be broke. If you fucking put in the work, you'll be that successful guy, and if you don't, you'll be here, a dumbass 9 to 5. And next point is same. Elon Musk slept under his fucking desk when he used to build his companies. So if you're someone who is in his teenage years, or he is in if you're someone who is in his 20s, you should put in a fucking work as much as you can. Work until your mind breaks, and put in the fucking work and get rich, make money, get healthy, and be mindful. Bye. I hope you have learned something new. I make these videos to teach other people what I'm learning every single day, and I make these videos to improve my accent, to get better communication skills. For like, it is a win-win for both of us. So do give me a favor, just hit that subscribe button, and I'll be putting in a lot of content on this channel. How it is a win-win situation for both of us, because I'm putting in the value here. What I'm learning, I'll be sharing everything here on this channel, and when you'll be watching me, I'll get that motivation. And also I do this to improve my own communication skills. I learn how to speak, I improve my accent and everything. That is why I make these videos. So light has gone at the moment, so I'll stop recording. Bye bye. Meet you. We'll meet you in another video. Bye bye.